I can't remember. Yeah, that's really sad. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Hannah. Oh, I'm Alana. Yeah, my little Smurf. Okay, so we're gonna be singing a song that we wrote. No, we meshed 5 little songs together. Same thing. We're both gonna be singing, and I will be playing the piano. Oh yes. Okay. So
And Nico has no attention whatsoever.
Whoops.
Outside.
What are the words again? I remember. I got you. It's I remember. Yeah. What's the words? I know you remember. I remember. Like I remember what it was. Oh, the first A. Oh, you do? Yeah. Okay. That's so special. Okay. Here you go. We're gonna think we're annoying. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. My apologies. I remember what you wore on the first day. You came into my life and I thought, hey, you know, this could be something. 'Cause everything you do and words you say, and know that it all takes my breath away. And now I'm left with nothing. So maybe it's true. Take a picture. The first time. How's it going, everybody? Okay. Bye-bye. I kept it. I didn't stop it. Oh, it's still going. That's for mommy. Okay. Let's keep going.
That sounded beautiful.
Thank you. Keep going. It's okay. You put your arm around me for the first time. You was really awkward.
Yeah. Bye.